we leave it to the police. Yes, the police will arrest, the police will deal with many of those people who will have committed crimes. But as parents, as people who morally should guide the young people in our nation, we should also step up so that we can deal with that challenge from a broader and all society approach. As a government, we are resolute in supporting the implementation of this plan, both plans actually, and together let us forge a future where the rule of law prevails, public safety is guaranteed, and Kenya's prosperity is built on a foundation of trust and security. So, IG Kanja and your team, I have said that I have confidence in the leadership of the NPS as it is. They have done the best that they could, and they have the support of the government of Kenya. And they have my personal support. I understand very well that our men in uniform security agencies operate in very difficult circumstances. Sometimes we don't appreciate enough the kind of challenges they face and the kind of support that they need. But I want our security men and women to know that I fully appreciate, the government of Kenya understands, and that is why we are going to go out of our way to make sure that the job that you do, the mandate that you have, we support you so that you can achieve it. Because if you succeed, then our security is guaranteed, the security of our properties is guaranteed, the stability of our nation is guaranteed, and the progress of Kenya is assured. So you have no choice but to succeed, and we will help you to do so. Whether it is making sure that we have the requisite terms of service to support you, the uniforms, the housing, the medicals, and all the other assets, including equipment and vehicles, we will go out of our way. I know that we haven't invested in the police in a long while, and that's why I made the decision that in the next 2 years, we're going to invest 28 billion to enhance the equipment, the operational environment of the police as we give you the tools to be able to discharge your responsibility and mandate in the Constitution to the people of Kenya. We will also continue to maintain and ensure the independence of the police so that you can make the right decisions without undue influence from whatever quarter. I also want to give you my assurance that we will defend the actions of the police that are within the law and any action that helps us to maintain peace and security in our country. We will also implore citizens to work with our security agencies, to respect our security agencies, to abide by the rule of law, and to make sure that we live within the parameters of what is provided by the Constitution. That way, we can all move together and secure our country. We have absolutely no reason, and there is no other way. This country must be secured. All other things, all other engagements, any other progress cannot happen unless we have peace, we have security, we have stability. It is the bedrock upon which we can build any meaningful progress going into the future. And you, as men in uniform and women in uniform, you are the people charged with that responsibility to make sure that we have peace, that we are secure, and that our country is stable. I know it is an onerous responsibility, but I promise you we will support you because you must achieve it. We cannot make progress in any other field unless our stability is guaranteed, unless our security is guaranteed. It is as serious as that, and therefore we are going to invest in the security of Kenya by investing in the police service and all the other security agencies that support our security, our stability, and ensures our progress. The two strategic plans of NPS and our prison service are now officially launched. Asante sana.